Hi guys, welcome back to the another live stream. Am I audible? My BTC, Bitcoin. Okay, any trades you are in? Not right now, but I'm planning like for the buys in euro. But let's see if we can get a proper market structure. Then only we'll look for the buys. As of now, 1 hour is already flipped, so there's a high chances that we are already getting a sell position. But let's see. The 4 hour is also flipped, and the daily as well, because the daily has taken the liquidity of the previous day high, and the 4 hour is also getting flipped. So let's see if we can get the trade set up today. If not, then we are not going to trade. 11:30's highs are already broken, and on the 5 minutes time frame we don't have a proper market structure. So again, I'm gonna wait for the entry. आपकी साउंड नहीं आ रही है. Is it not audible? Hello, hello, hello. I think all okay. Okay, so did anybody took the Euro USD yesterday's trade? So let me explain you the yesterday's trade जो हमने लिया था. मतलब मैं active नहीं थी कल, but we actually took the trade. If I'm gonna show you yesterday what happened in the market. So 5 minutes time frame. Here. So we had a liquidity graph of the Asian lows as well. तो हमारा जो trade plan था कल का, somewhere right over here, हमारा जो फेयर वाले का टैप इन हुआ था, which was this one. Yeah, we had a long position from this fair value gap, like this. 1:2 trade. Yesterday's trade, and let's see if we can get today. See, if the market comes back to this zone, I will see if I can go in the buy position. Yeah. So if the price comes back to this range, I'll look for the buys. Like that. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so we will buy how? See, if we can get a little bit of market structure and if the price fails to make the low lows and again the market structure is shifted because on the 1 hour time frame as well we have taken the if you see on the 11:30 it already took the lows of 11:30 and highs as well, but again it broke the highs, so that's the probability that I'm looking for the buys, but with the market structure on the 5 minutes time frame. So if we can get that, let's see. Because again, the 2 minutes time frame, let's see if how the closure gets. So where we are getting rejection from, if you see, we are getting rejection from the straight if you see on the daily time frame. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, so we are getting straight away rejection from this area. This one. Foreign has to reflip in order to give us a buy side momentum. So this 1 hour is having a no wick. So there's a probability that price can a little bit retrace down to this area and might be bounce back. Even we have on 15 minutes time frame, we see we have the equal lows. The zone we have the equal lows, so there's a liquidity still pending right over here. So let's see. If I'm not wrong, euro is bearish. Yeah, right now euro is bearish. Right now the momentum of euro is bearish. But let's see if we can get any setup. We're just waiting. At least I want these lows to grab down and then come back up again. Yes, the liquidity and then up. Yeah, let's see. In the group, something is cooking. Good afternoon. Plan for the sales entry in Euro enter in the sell in next 15 minutes open. Next 15 minutes open. Oh. So you will be catching the retracement that I'm talking about. So after 3 minutes, like whoever is in the like the bias is for the sell position, and the 3 minutes actually you can go for the sell. It's the right time to actually. Let me start a poll. Euro USD buy or sell. So whoever is in the selling position, they can actually go for the sell. And in the elite also, it hard cooked already. Elite group. I don't know if I can show you the Discord by screen share. Let me just share you guys. So I'm gonna show you the Discord maybe if you guys can see. Okay, so this is the Discord that we are actually in FRX Aura. And if you guys want like the goal setups actively, our analyst Neil posts the trades and execution. If you can see today's gold trade profits, here we got the another position, and if you see in the trading setup, so we are actually taking some setups today as well. pretty much about the gold. And in the EU playbook section, you'll get the trades, free trades from our sites. So, like on Friday, we captured this full TP on the live stream, and the other day we captured this. So, let's see for today if we can actually get some kind of position today. Okay, if somebody is already in the sell side, they can actually take this trade. We are in after you buy. All right. But let's see what happens with the sell side win or the buy side win. But let's see, pretty much. If we can get this setup today, definitely wanna take it. What I would have done personally was I would have entered a right over where on this position. How? The logic would be simple. The liquidity of the Asian highs is taken out. We have got the pretty good fair value gap, and here I would have shot it down. My stop loss would have been the swing high, the TP all the way to the 20 pips down, 20 pips down, 21, 20, something like this. Now you should look at the Eurozone and Allied. Let's see, guys. Let's see. You guys should definitely let me know if you guys have any doubts in anything. Like, I never see you guys asking like questions. What lot size and leverage you use? It depends upon the account size that I have. For example, if you say 10K, I use somewhere around 1.25. If you say if I would have 5K, I would have used 0.50. Yeah, pretty much something like that. If I would have 50K, around 2.25 something. I'm 15. I have trading experience, back tested strategy, but don't have fees for funded account. What should I do? For a funded account, then it's kind of difficult to trade. Let's say $100. See, if you have $100, then I would say just it doesn't make sense that to take like a 1% risk, then if you have $100, I would have risked $10, maybe 10 or $20 something. So if you have $100, like open the lot size according to the risks that you can take. If I would have $100, I would have to risk like $10 or $20, something like that. Make 30 or $40. Hi, hello Nitin, how are you? 0.01 lot is, I guess, it's too low. Hello, hi Majid. Yeah, hi, yeah. Gold, gold, please. I trade Euro USD on live streams. Okay, let's see. Let's analyze gold. What's happening with the gold? So I'm already in one of the positions which is already in consolidation. This one, I'm already in the sales. But if you see on the daily time frame, this candle जो हमारी कल की candle बनी थी ना 17 March, right? So 17 March candle was open indecisive, pretty much indecisive. I'm in the gold short since 3 days. Oh my god. These days, because it's consolidating. See, on the Monday, on Tuesday, these two candles are just purely consolidating. So doesn't make any sense. So on the 4 time frame as well, if you see the structure is bearish, but again, the zone is wholly consolidating. So let's see if we can have a good breakout of one of the sides, maybe. But right now, it's totally in the low volume consolidation zone. 0.01 lot size with 1 is 400 leverage. Is this one good? See, I would say, see, don't calculate on the basis of lot size. It will make confusion. Like 100% it will confuse you out. What you do is just see, just see your average stop loss first. That this is my average stop loss. And then check that how much dollar is it there on your stop loss. So if it is like $10 or $20, then I think it's fine because on $100 you can afford to lose like $1. It doesn't make sense to trade on $100 there. then you have to actually take 10% of risk or 20% of risk. So whenever you put the position, to see where how much a stop loss is costing you, $10, $20, and accordingly you manage your lot size. If your stop loss is becoming like 10, $20, I think it's fine. Again, it's like 10 or 20%. Of course, it's a lot. Like if you say in journal, oh, you're risking 20%, but again, then you see it's only $100. So like that. Can we take buy now? See, the setup is still not formed yet. So I'm just waiting if we can get the setup, then only we'll be looking for the buys. Like for the shorting position was already uploaded in the Discord, but if you wanna go for the buys, just wait, I would say. Because there's no setup is formed right now for the buys. Structure is selling right now. 10 pips done in the group already. I think you have shorted the position from this candle maybe. Yeah, 10, 13 pips is already done from your side. But it was actually a good call. Euro is dumping today. Is there any news today? Do we have any news on Forex? Wait, let me check. Okay, 6 p.m. We have core PPI, and at 11:30 again we have the FOMC here. So we have two red folders today. Send the name of your Discord. Okay, let me show you the link. Gold will decide today's direction as today we are having biggest news. Yeah, let's see. Either we hit TP or either we hit stop loss. But yesterday we missed the TP with 2 pips, and then it's since then it's consolidating. I think whoever was in the sell position, they might have hit it TP. I guess more than 1:1, probably. Hmm, how was your weekend? My weekend was amazing. I had a good reset, to be honest. So look at gold rate which have given an elite a high sniper fix trader. Friday's trade was awesome. Yes, Friday's trade was actually amazing. Friday's trade. This was yesterday's trade, and on Monday, on Friday. On yeah, I mean Friday we were in the selling position, and The move was crazy, to be honest. We were in the selling position somewhere right from here. This one. This one we shorted like this, and the TP was all the way to down 20 pips. So it was a good 1:2 trade. Like we captured the middle of the swing. But I love the direction that Euro USD gives. It's really smooth. Like sometimes you it's like no manipulation, nothing. It's just one-sided move. I love the thing about Euro USD. Always you get one-sided moves. Even today also, the move is like straight to the downside. Okay, you're just talking about the gold trade. The gold trade which was okay posted. Slowly, wait. This was the trade actually. The gold setup was this. Our position was 50009 short and 5019 as the stop loss, 4989. So we already captured like one issue on this. That's good. On Friday, okay, today's Wednesday on Friday. So make sure on Friday let's do a voice chat if you guys have any questions, doubts, want to share something related to trading or anything, you guys are welcome. Around 9 p.m. we're gonna have the Discord voice chat. So you're most welcome. People, 86% of people are saying in the buys and 12% were in the sells. Damn. You took the payout in the weekend. Yeah, this weekend actually when I was on the trip, I took one payout, like small payout. That's a good feeling when you are on the trips and then you have the notification of the payout. That's the best thing. But I'm really glad that you guys are actually consistent in watching the streams and taking the grades. Is Blueberry Funded a good one? Have you tried it? Do they pay you? Yes. Blueberry is a good farm. Blueberry Pandit is a good farm. And actually, if you guys find any difficulty, like if you have a genuine problem with a prop firm like Blueberry, okay, and you are not getting payout without any reason, so just you can like a pinch me maybe. I can help you out with the code Sanya. Let's wait for the entry. I think the setup might not form, or if it will form late. So let's see. Okay, that's good. Check goal one, stamp, entry point. Oh my god. Okay, we are actually in the dump. How much strips do we need? It's almost on the 1:1 right now. The good thing about Euro is right now that it's giving actually very smooth moves. Like earlier, like the January month, it was consolidating a lot. But I love when it gives like very smooth moves. I have get a friend request on Discord from your side. I hope that wasn't you. No, no, no. I never send like friend requests or I never message anyone on the Discord. Might be a fake one, you know. There are a lot of people who have like made my see like audacity of people they have so much time to make my fake account. They make my fake account, they put the DP on that and they message people. So just ignore. Blueberry is good I use, but it's good to take with your code, so you help me. Yeah, I mean, I can help you then. 30 pips remain for the TP in gold. 30 pips, let's see if we can get the TP. Okay, so 4R is about to flip in the gold. If the 4R flips all the way to the downside, we are good to go. I think it might flip. 10 pips remaining. Can I enter sell now in the gold? I think selling now in the gold would be difficult. If you would have shorted from the position, see now it's almost break even. I've already got the see we have already got the break even now. And 10 pips are left, so I don't think so it's a good idea to sell right now. But if you have entered from this position, maybe 4009, then might be a good idea. I don't think so you should take the trade in the gold right now. हर रोज आओ और लंदन में ट्रेड लो और पैसा बना के जाओ. That's what I'm gonna do. London session is the best. I mean, there is less manipulation, one-sided move. I really like London session. It's not even London session. It's like pre-kills, pre-London session. So if I start at 11:30, it's like a kill zone. So always if you see the kill zone of a particular pair or a particular, asset, every asset has a kill zone. Like for the euro, it's around 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. New York time. So if you trade in that, it's expected to have a good volume, good moves, and it tends to make highs and lows of the day in this time frame. Okay, tell us when to enter in the Euro USD. I'll update on the group itself. I'll update in the chat Euro playbook. But most probably, what I think is that we won't be getting any setup in Euro USD today because till 2:30 might be the last we're gonna see because after that we don't trade Euro USD. How to find the kill zone of a particular asset? See, I have made a video on YouTube about kill zones, specific kill zones, so it might help you out. So there are three kill zones basically. If you see, I'm gonna show you. You can simply put this indicator out. It might help you out. Its name is ICT kill zones pivots by TFO. Um, you can do the time zone GMT minus 4. Okay. So Asian kill zone is this time, London is this, and New York EM, New York lunch, London close. So all the kill zones are right over here. So every session has a kill zone. So if I trade Euro USD in the New York session, it might not give us that move because Euro USD is meant to trade in London session, you know. So it's like that. So you can just maybe just take a screenshot of this Asian kill zone. London kill zone is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and the rest. Or you can simply just watch my video on the YouTube about the kill zone specifically, and you'll get to know about that. Also, guys, let me know what kind of YouTube video should I post. Like, I just do live streams and I don't actually post some kind of videos. So I don't know what kind of videos you need or what kind of videos, like what kind of knowledge you require about strategy or anything. Like, just let me know if you have any ideas. You should start posting vlogs. Yeah, I don't do vlogs to be honest. I can do the self-help content. I can do the maybe technical analysis content. I can do the psychology content, but not the vlogs. Vlogs are really difficult for me to do. But maybe in future, if I get the chance, maybe then I can start. व्लॉग्स में करना क्या है मोबाइल लेके शुरू कर दो बस नहीं यार it's like what will you speak in the vlog what am I gonna speak true educational content is good but let me know what kind of educational content I should post do you want the videos on psychology or what just suggest me some topics maybe or the problems might be the problem could be about a review of problems might be try to post a daily analysis video of few forex pairs. Yeah, the only confusion, or I would say the problem with that is that I don't want to mess up things whoever is watching us. That could be the reason, maybe. And then that video I have to be so quick to put. Like, I made the video and I have to, like, post it now. So it's like that. I can't delay with that. How to pass blueberry proper? Good idea. Yeah, I can, I think, make that video. How to pass a blueberry proper? Hmm. Maybe a road maps or something. Yes, good one. But one more thing, please choose a good video editor. Last time there was small volume of music, then your voice, Sanya. I'll try. No, actually, this time let's see. I'll try to make it with a good editor because I tried to ask people who are doing freelancing, but let's see this time. Maybe it turns out to be good. That's one of the reasons that I'm not posting on YouTube because then the editing of that should be perfect. It's so easy to do live streams. Like you don't have to edit, you don't have to do anything. You just have to speak and come live. That's so easy for me. Where is gold now? Okay. The 1 hour is flipped. 4 hour is flipped, 1 hour is flipped. Like 4 is about to flip, but 1 hour is flipped. I hope it doesn't consolidate. We can help you with the editing process. It's okay. Thank you so much. That was really kind of you. गोल्ड में अब इतनी पोजीशन लगा दी है कि अगर नीचे नहीं गया तो समझ लेना बाइंग इंस्टीट्यूशनल से हो रही थी. I think it will go more down. See, it's already dumping. The seat 4 is about to flip. But I feel like the heavy move that we're expecting it out would be somewhere around during the news time, like 6 p.m., 7, something like that. Even the euro is flipping out. If the euro is flipping out, I don't think so we'll get any buying position. But again, we just gonna see till 2:30 and tell us how you make your psychology better. See, if I tell you personally what I have faced during my losing streak, maybe, or maybe if I'm not in a good state of mind, or I made some silly mistakes in my trading, or whatever the reason is, I think I take step back then. I tend to pause, or I change the location of where I am, or I don't leave doing trading. There's a difference between leaving trading and just making your psychology better. Then I feel like you should keep on trading, but you should minimize that. And if you have still doubt, practice your strategy, then you would know that you have actually a good edge. Your psychology becomes actually more better. You gain confidence when you see the data, when you see the numbers. One of the reason. So that's the thing. Like if you see in our group as well, we faced a losing streak. We faced a losing streak, but again, we were consistent. There's nothing, making your psychology better. Just be stay consistent and remove the expectation part. Once you remove the expectation part, then again, good. Now checking the group, it's time for the snacks. Booked around 2.3K. That's good, yeah. Nice, nice move. The gold. It's more worth than snacks if you know that, right? I think I should end the stream. What do you think, guys? Let's end the stream, and if I get any setup, I'm gonna update you on the Discord only. And yeah, that's all. Like, I don't think so that today we are going to get any setup, but tomorrow, same time, we're gonna trade together and let's see if we can get any setup tomorrow in Euro USD. Same time, so be ready. Like, maybe turn on your notifications or whatever when I come live. So be attentive. Sometimes what happens is, as soon as I come live, there's a trade going on that I post in my Discord as well. So just try to be active and be attentive whenever I'm just posting my page. So if you can like get any idea. But my snacks is expensive around one one or two k rupees. Yeah, expensive people. Yes, we are ready. Thank you so much. I mean, I'm really glad and happy that you guys are actually showing up in my live streams daily without, I'm really happy about that. And actually, you guys are like texting also, like, why aren't you live today? So it really means a lot for me, and it really motivates me to come live every day because there's no point like coming live for me personally. But then I see you guys, like, you guys are my motivation that I see, oh, I have to be live today. I have to give the analysis. Like, people are waiting, so it really feels good. All right, guys, then let me end the stream. Thank you so much for joining. And on Friday, make sure that we're going to have the voice discussion. So, if you guys have any doubts, we can clear that out on that voice chat. So, that's all. Let's see you guys tomorrow. And till then, take care. Let's trade and let's grow together, guys.